Welcome back with exercise 7.3. Question first. In question first, these two sides equal and these two sides equal. Means it's an isosceles triangle given and you have to prove first part ABD, triangle ABD and this triangle ACD. These two congruent you have to prove. And in second, ABP and ACP. And third part, AP. AP bisects angle A and angle D. Bisects. What does it mean bisects? AP जो है एंगल ए को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में एंगल को डिवाइड कर रहा है. एंड दिस ऑल्सो बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल डी ऑल्सो मीन्स दीज टू एंगल्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. ये प्रूव करना है. एंड इन फोर्थ पार्ट वी हैव टू प्रूव AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular means 90 degree. आपको प्रूव करना है. एंड बाइसेक्टर, बाइसेक्टर मीन्स BC को बाइसेक्ट भी कर रहा है. मीन्स आपको प्रूव करना है BP एंड PC आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. सो दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू prove it. And what is given here? That these two sides equal and these two sides equal. Let's go for the question. First part, these two triangles you have to prove it. So we will take in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Now we will try to prove it with congruency. AB equal AC, AB equal AC, BD equal CD, BD equal CD. So for both reason is given. And what should be the third thing which you needed to prove it congruent? AD. AD equal AD common. AD equal AD common. So can you tell me which congruency is applicable? देखिए दो sides हो गई and AD is also a side. So by which congruency? By triple S or SSS. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD by triple S congruency. Triangles congruent हो गए. Now you know it very well that if the triangles are congruent, then whatever be the corresponding parts of the two congruent triangles, they will also be equal. So it means since these two triangles are congruent, so it means that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. ठीक है? Now, second part, we have, sorry, यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं this implies angle 1 equal angle 2 by CPCT. Now in second part, you have to prove ABP and ACP equal, congruent. So let's see what are the three things which you can take it. ABP, this side and this side. AP common. What should be the third thing? Look here. Just now we have proved angle 1 equal angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2, we will take it. So S, A and S. So it will be congruent. So next thing, in which two triangles? ABP, in triangle ABP and triangle ACP. ACP. We will prove it congruent. AB equal AC. This is given. AB equal AC, angle 1 equal angle 2. Angle 1 equal angle 2 from first and AP equal AP. AP equal AP common. Common. So which congruency? By SAS. So this implies triangle ABP congruent triangle ACP by SAS congruency. Is it clear? ओके, अब जब ये ट्राइंगल ए बी पी एंड ए सी पी आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर, सो what does it mean? The other sides, corresponding sides will also be equal. So it means that BP equals CP. ये पूरा ट्राइंगल अगर हमने कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर दिया है, so it means that BP and CP will be equal. This implies BP equals CP, CP, CT. Somewhere we will use this part further. Okay, now third part. This is your first part. This is your second part. Now we will take the third part. Third part of this. Third part is AP. AP bisects angle A and angle D. ये प्रूव करना है. Let these two angles, we can write it 3 and 4 to make it more simple. So AP bisects angle A and angle D. देखिए एंगल A, एंगल 1 इक्वल एंगल 2 हमने ऑलरेडी प्रूव किया है. So AP bisects angle A तो हो गया. But how will you prove that it bisects angle D also? What will you do? Tell me. Look here. For this we have to prove these two triangles congruent. अब congruent कैसे होंगे? Look here. This triangle and this triangle we will take it. BD equals CD. So by using isosceles property, angle 5 equal angle 6. Angle 5 equal angle 6. ठीक है? And here it is given BP equals CP. We have already proved it. So BP equals CP. So side, angle, side. We will prove it congruent. Then by CPCT, angle 3 and 4 will be equal. So what we will do in triangle BDP and triangle CDP, we will prove these two triangles congruent. BD equals CD. BD and CD are equal. This is given. Therefore, this implies angle 5 equal angle 6. Why? Isosceles property. Isosceles property. Isosceles property. अब हमें third thing what we needed? BP equals CP. BP equal CP. कहाँ से आया BP equal CP? From second. From second. Now, which is the congruency here? Side, angle, side. Therefore, triangle BDP congruent triangle CDP by SAS congruency. Okay, now the triangles are congruent. So this implies angle 3 equal angle 4. CP, CT. So we can take this as equation 3. Now we will go. You have to prove in third part AP bisects angle A and D. AP bisects angle A and angle D. So angle 1 equal 2. So from first and third we get what we get? AP bisects angle A and angle D. Is it clear? Now come to the fourth part. In fourth part, you have to prove AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. ये इसका perpendicular bisector है. अब कैसे करेंगे? Perpendicular bisector. तो bisect तो हो रहा है BP equal CP. We have proved it from second. And how will you prove that these two angles are 90 degree? अब देखिए ये triangles congruent है. So it means we will take this as numbering 7 and 8. Since these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT 7 and 8 are equal, but their sum is what? 180 degree. So what we will do, since triangle BDP congruent triangle CDP, we have proved above. Therefore, angle 7 equal angle 8 CPCT. अब एंगल 7 इक्वल एंगल 8 हो गया, बट इट्स सम इज, बट एंगल 7 प्लस 8 इक्वल्स टू 180 degree linear pair. So it means twice of angle 7. We can write it like this. Instead of 8, we can write it 7 equal 180 degree. So twice of 7 equal 180 degree. So it means angle 7 equal 90 degree. And angle 7 equals 8. Therefore, this is angle 8 is also 90 degree. Okay, so take this as equation 4. Now we will go for the part. AP perpendicular bisector of BC. Bisector BP equals CP from second and perpendicular from second and fourth, we get AP is the perpendicular bisector. AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. Though this question has 4 points, 4 parts, that's why this question looks little bit long or the lengthy, but it's quite easy. You have to prove only the congruency. By congruency and CPCT, you will get all the results. Okay. Come to question 2. In question 2, these two sides equal and this is perpendicular given. Now you have to prove AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. Bisect कर रही है BD को. How will you prove it? देखिए ये साइड इक्वल दी है, so by isosceles property angle B and angle C equal and both of them are 90 degree. Let it be 1 and 2. So which congruency? By AAS congruency. So you will write in triangle ABC, AB equal AC, this is given. So this implies angle B equal angle C. Isosceles property. Angle B equal angle C हो गया. Now we will take both different triangles. Now in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, prove it congruent. Now AB equal AC given, angle B equal angle C from above, and what should be the third thing? Angle 1 equal angle 2 90 degree. This is also given. So can you judge out, can you tell which congruency? देखिए 2 angles and non-included side. 2 angles and non-included side. Therefore by AAS. Therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD by AAS congruency. Clear? अब क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है? AD bisects BC. Bisects means that BD equals CD, and AD bisects angle A means let it be angle 3 and angle 4. Since triangles are congruent, therefore BD equals CD and angle 3 equal angle 4 by CPCT. अब जब CPCT से प्रूव हो गया, so this implies AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. BD के bisect भी हो गया and it bisects angle A भी हो गया. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.